Finally, I'm back at Master Foo's. What? How do I get this to work? You did transform back, Adrien. Yeah. You know, we could get some help. Help? How? How? You're talking to a genius here. Yeah, I know. So what do you want to do? Well, Marinette. Wait, is the kitty ready? What? Sorry, I'm not here to answer the phone. Leave a message. I don't really talk much on the phone. But, yeah, this is Max. Leave a message if you will. I just stepped out for a bit. Don't worry, this is Adrien. Your special gift will be ready done soon. Yeah, this is Adrien. I come to pick up the gift, but I guess you're not ready for it yet. Give me a call, anything. Just let me know. Okay, bye. So what do we do now? I guess we sit and wait. Where am I? I seem to be in someone's home. I'm afraid. Where's everyone at? I am afraid. It seems like that soul has been awakened. Now, go, my evil Kuma, and evilize that creature. Oh, where am I? I seem to be lost somewhere. What is that? Hello there. I'm Hawkmoth. Seems you've been abandoned, my little, cat? A robot cat? Interesting. Consider to your circuitry system, seems like you are a being of some sort. I knew that something had been born and awakened. Now, what is your greatest desire? I'm a generous man. I feel unwanted. Can you find someone to love me? I absolutely can. Let's see, what should I give you the ability to? That's it. Everyone who comes in contact with you will fall in love with you and want to keep you as their own pet. Oh, well, at least I will be loved. Alright, I guess I'll try it. I don't understand. Oh no, oh my gosh, what an adorable little kitten. Huh? Did you hear something fly? Something over there. Hey, isn't that the cat I was supposed to get? Yeah. Oh, isn't it adorable with the big, beautiful green eyes? And it seems like all the females are totally all over it. I want the kitty. No, I want the kitty. I want the kitty. I saw it first. Well, young and old, I guess. I saw the kitty first. Nuh-uh, I did. Let go, he's mine. No, he's mine. He's mine. Oh, jeez. Should we say the cat? I don't know. Looks like there's a spell on it or something. Wait a second. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Oh, jeez, I forgot. What did you forget? Flag, why are you freaking out? Oh, Nauru told me that the next acclimatized victim was going to be something of a new nature. Something that seemed to have a soul, but a new creature born. That had to have been what he's talking about. The cat? Well, it does have, like, kind of a being to it. A life force. Like he did with Marv. Exactly. What do you want to do? I don't know. But right now, you said that the power of the Miraculous is messing up. Yeah, it's kind of a bummer. This may sound strange, but that would mean that... Uh-oh, that means Ladybugs is probably messing up too. I should have never messed with those powers. The Mystic Stone was a bad thing to mess with. Flag, don't you get akumatized on me. I know that Kwame's gonna be that way too. I'm sorry. It's just... it makes no sense. Why would he attack the poor little kitten? What would he gain? I mean, he's loving people turning against each other. That's what he wants. He feeds on negative energy. You know that. And if it works out too well for him, that means they could be akumatized too in their own way. Whatever they want to do. We gotta stop this. Exactly. They say music calms the savage beast. What do you want to do? Music, huh? We need to see Master Fu. Immediately. What are you doing? Sorry. You have a phone too? You have a burner phone? I guess. Hello? Tiki, we got a problem. What now? I can't tell you exactly what's gonna happen yet because if your owners are around. Of course. I know they don't know each other yet. Okay, well, here's the problem. There's a little akumatized kitten, and everybody fall in love with it. And unfortunately, this is being negative emotions, which means there's more power for Hawkmoth. Can you please come? Something is wrong with my abilities right now. Can you explain that to me? Well, I'm waiting for an answer. Let me have it. I don't know, Adrien. Adrien? Oh yeah, Adrien. Oh, I can't say his name out loud. You'll hear me? What are you doing on the phone? Give me back to Black. No, you gotta understand. It's my fault. I wanted to do something for Marinette, and, well, he was left alone, I guess. The only thing I could think of that could cause him to be this way would probably be he feels unloved, so everything is loving him now. Oh, that makes sense. What do you want me to do? I can't transform, so what do I do? I cannot transform her. The magic is messed up. It's all my fault. All my fault. I just wanted them together, that's all, Tiki. That's all I wanted. So it was your idea, huh? Well, the only solution I can tell you is... I can't say Motor's name. You know, the girl that's your good friend? I can get around it, though. Yeah, Marinette. You ever thought that maybe she would make a good superhero? A good superhero? Yeah, a good superhero. That is a good idea. Do you know what she could be? Not a clue. But if you work really hard, maybe you could ask Master Fu on what you're supposed to do. Okay. Can we just pick something out for her? Well, that might be a good idea. if you think there's one that would be suitable for her.
You can't say her owner's name, can you?
No, it won't come out.
It is something we're cursed with. We can't say our owner's names. At least not around other Kwamis or other beings. Okay. I'm not sure what to give her, but will you do me a favor?
Sure.
Don't tell her this, okay? I wanted to surprise her with this kitten.
Wait, kitten. Wait a second. Flag, what did you do? Oh gosh. What did you do? I took the place of Adrien as a Cat Noir and I switch places with him sometimes, I'm looking like him, and you used the powers, didn't you? You know you're not supposed to do that. You already have your own power. That wasn't very bright of you.
Did you just say brave?
I did. You're just so reckless sometimes. You don't even think.
Sorry.
Well, my only suggestion to this here is to go get something to help her. You can't see her identity, so you'll have to give it to me.
See whose identity?
That's right, you don't know, do you?
Neither of them know, Tiki. You almost gave it away.
Oh, jeez. I'm getting as bad as you are.
Why, who is Ladybug?
That I can't tell you, but I can tell you this much. If you believe in Marinette, she can actually do something for you. But you have to believe in her.
So who do I go as?
The next best thing. Whatever you can get your Miraculous. Since you can't be seeing any right now.
Alright. I gotta do something about that.
Well, what are you waiting for? Hurry! You don't have much time. By the way, Marinette is home. So you can give it to her there.
Thanks, Tiki. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. And you must admit, for one thing, you two aren't the brightest of Chosens. But that's another story.
Another story?
Tiki, Of course not. I'm gonna let out the stuff that they discover on their own. Goodbye, cat boy.
Let's go. What are you waiting for?
Oh, it's so cute.
How are we going to de-evilize it?
May not have to de-levelize it. Instead, we'll get Master Drew to help us understand what's going to happen.
There's another way. It isn't always about Ladybug, you know. This is true. I can't believe I'm doing this. Master Fu. Oh, Cat Noir. What are you? The power's been messed with, so unfortunately I cannot change into Cat Noir. So is there anything I can do to fix this problem? Flag?
It's my fault. I wanted to have a little bit of romance in their life, and it's my fault.
Fine. This is the miracle box. Cat Noir, I know you have not seen it yet. Wow, there's so many of them. I pick one and make sure it's used for the greater good. Well, actually, we need two. Because of what I did, let me explain it, boy. What I did caused Ladybug's powers to mess up too. Because, they're connected and... Yes, I understand. What do you think you want to do, young man? This one. But it's missing. You are lucky I had to have it. Well, I had to get the Kwami phone better. The owner of it doesn't have it at the moment, but you are welcome to use it. What is that? It is the snake Miraculous. It's a very powerful and yet interesting way of dealing with things. What's this one? That is the mouse Miraculous. Pigtails. You know what? She's so meek like a mouse. I got this for the perfect person. Oh, and Cat Noir. You can't go like that. Oh, you're right. My father sees me, it'll be bad news. Feel free to change in the other room. There are no cameras in there, and there's no one can find you or watch you. Flag? Just because he has the Miraculous of a different owner doesn't mean you'll be replaced. I never thought I'd be replaced. Why would he replace me? I am awesome. Of course you are, Black. Huh? I love you, Black, and I would never replace you. If anything, if these could be used together, I would have you help us. Could he help us separately? Well, if his powers are restored, I suppose so. So, Cataclysm can still be used. By himself, of course. Of course. So that would mean that I can do this and make sure that you can help us in other ways. See? You're useful, Black. Remember what I told my best friend before? Well, best friend? Is she now? Marinette? Yeah, I guess she's my best friend now. Yeah, she's my best friend. I've never established that, did I? We are getting closer. So what do I do now? It is up to you. Hello there. I am Sass. Where is my original owner? I don't know who the original owner is. All I know is I'm borrowing you for now. That is understandable. But what do I say? Simple. Slitter on. Okay. Slitter on! Amira. It's Amira. Wow, this is amazing. I look different, but amazing.